Self-care is well overdue, so watch me take my nails from busted to baddie in 10 minutes. Girl, I don't know what I was thinking when I put this bright green on. So let's start by removing this nail polish. Yes, my hands are ashy, but don't worry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and buff my natural nails. And then after my natural nail is buff, I'm going to take this e-file I picked up from Target, and I'm going to e-file the inside of the falsie. I'm going to get the glue that came with the falsies, apply a little bit of that to the falsie and then to my nail, and I am going to press firmly and get that baby sitting. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to the remainder of my nails. Now, there were some nails that I did go ahead and customize a little bit, so I filed up where the cuticle is. I filed it a little bit so that it would better fit my nail bed and my cuticle area. Now this extra dead skin around my middle finger is not hot, so I had to go ahead and gently nip that away. I'm going to finish it off with this nourishing oil, and to add my own little pizzazz, I did go ahead and paint the insides red. So here we are, all finished. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think.